Hey, what's up everybody? This is C.L.S. All-in-One. In today's video, I'll be installing an ADA compliant grab bar in a shower. To attach grab bars such as this, anchors can be used to secure it at any location on the wall, but I prefer to secure them directly to existing studs in the wall, which makes it more secure and safe. So for this job, I'll be using a 16-inch wide grab bar that will line right up with the studs in the wall. But if you have a wider grab bar, you could either mount it at an angle or vertically to make it line up with the studs in the wall. To locate the studs, I'll be using a stud finder with a deep scan mode, which works good for thicker composite shower walls, such as these made by a company called the ONYX Collection. So first, I will apply a piece of tape to the shower wall at the desired height I want the bar to be, which is 36 inches from the shower floor. Then I will use the stud finder to locate both edges of each stud. So here is the first edge. I'll go ahead and mark it. And here is the other. Now I will make a mark in the middle of these lines, which should indicate the middle of the stud and the wall. But you should always verify your scans at different heights on the wall to ensure there is a stud at that location. So now at the top of the shower, I'll do the same thing and use the stud finder to locate the edges of the studs in the wall and make some marks. And as you can see here, I've marked two stud locations on the wall that are 16 inches apart. And I can now use these to reference with my lower marks and make sure the stud scans are in the same location. And this can be done by measuring the distance from the corner to my mark at the top and comparing it with the distance from the corner to my lower mark at 36 inches. And it looks like my marks are both measuring right at 14 inches, so this indicates the correct location of the stud on this side. Now, if for some reason your marks don't line up like this, you may need to scan more locations on the wall to find the actual stud, or get a better quality stud finder. Now I will use a level and make a horizontal level mark on both stud locations where I will be attaching the grab bar. Then I will apply some more tape on the wall so I have a larger area to make some more marks, and also make my centerline marks more clear. So right here I have two marks spaced at 16 inches apart and 36 inches high. Now the caps can be lightly pried off the ends of this grab bar. Then I will center it with my marks on the wall, then trace the holes onto the tape. And since the studs in the wall only measure at 1.5 inches wide, I will only be drilling the 4 holes located within that area, which is highlighted here in red. And here's a look at the screws that will be used to secure this bar, which are rust resistant and long enough to reach into the studs by at least 1 inch or more. To drill the holes, I will first use a slightly oversized bit on the shower panel, so the screws do not bind against the panel, which could cause damage. Then use a slightly undersized bit for the stud to ensure the screw has a good bite. Next, the tape can be removed and the holes can be cleaned out with some compressed air. Now I will use some clear bathroom rated silicone and fill all of these holes, which will create a watertight seal to protect the wall from water damage. Then the grab bar can be installed starting with one screw on each side being lightly tightened to hold it in place. Then the rest of the screws can be lightly tightened as well. And once all the screws are in position, they can be tightened down a little bit more until they feel snug and there is no movement with the bar. And if any excess silicone squeezes out past where the caps will cover it, you'll want to wipe that away. And for this, a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a rag works well. And now these end caps can be popped back on, and I will need to wait at least 24 hours before using the shower to allow the silicone to dry. Then this bar will be ready for use. Okay, it's now time for me to go. If you liked this video, if you could hit that like button and please subscribe. And have yourself a great day, and I'll see you next time.